So now let's see how you can import out external spreadsheets saved on your computer inside of Google Sheets. So if you have, let's say, for example, an Excel file on your computer or an OpenOffice file, then you can go around into File right here, and then you can see Import is an option. So once you click on this, the dialog box opens up where you can select out the file from your drive or you can upload it out. So in my case, I'm going to click on Upload, and then I'm going to select a file from your device right here. So I'm just going to click on this, and then I'm going to go around over here onto my desktop right here. And here you can see that there's the periodic table Excel sheet that I have. So I'm just going to click on Open, and let's see what happens. So it uploads out the file right here. And then here you can see that I have options. So I can go around, create a new spreadsheet. I can insert this into new sheets, or I can replace the spreadsheet entirely. So I'm just going to go around and insert new sheets right here. And you have an option whether to import the theme or not. So it replaces the current theme. So I'm just going to import out the theme right here altogether and import out the data right here. So once I do that, what happens is that all of the data in the spreadsheet gets imported just like this. So you can see that the original blank sheet remains. You got the welcome, you got the periodic table right here, and so forth. So all of the contents are imported out. Similarly, you can go around and then import out, let's say, for example, I'm going to go around into Upload again, import the spreadsheet again, and now let's see what happens. So now I'm going to create a new spreadsheet and import the data, and now it'll create an entirely new spreadsheet, right? So it says it's fully imported. So I can open that out right here, and there you go. Now it is imported onto a new spreadsheet. You can go around and go around into Import, go to Upload right here, and I'm going to select out the periodic table. And now let's see what happens. So now I can go around and then replace the spreadsheet over here completely. So all of the current data in the new spreadsheet will be replaced, as you can see right here, as it says right there. So I can import out the data, and all of the previous data will be deleted and it'll be replaced out. So those are the options given to you to import out the spreadsheet as well. And that is how you can import out existing spreadsheets inside of Google Sheets. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.